Hello and welcome to part 185 of the game engine coding live stream. Code maintenance, smart pointers. Probably just going to do a half an hour live stream. Been a little while since I've done it. I want to get back into the swing of things. Did kind of get back into the swing of things, but want to get back into it a bit better now. And yeah, that's basically it. Okie dokie, so first of all I need to open up my project because I have moved it around and because I was in the process and I'll finish this off after. Both of these have been changed to SSD. You can probably notice there's a lot more storage on this one now. So like a few hundred meg or a gig or two. And I'll be changing this over to SSD. It's being cloned. I'm not going to do any changes to this between now and the drive swap. I'll do that afterwards. So yeah, I'll first go full SSD because I'll change this one. I was like, you know what, I'm liking it because this was already SSD, just low capacity from like 2011, 120 gig, of course, the Force GT. Okay, so what was I gonna do? Yeah, I was gonna open up documents, go to GitHub, and Project XYZ, code, platforms, Windows, and here we go. So launch this up, see what we got. Close that down, don't need that. One second, let's send a few messages regarding some board games. My wife yesterday went on like a board game haul. We're going to go today as well. Okay, so let's see what we got. I remember we was having issues last time. We was doing the pointer stuff. And I was watching this video of it as well from the channel. Okay, so actually we have no Discord, so that's fine. Okay, so yeah, the issue we was having was that the rectangle background underscore background and background is a pointer. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of methods. Underscore background shared pointer. Make shared rectangle. That's if you're setting the rectangle background, but with itself as well. see what addition I was saying.
You know, that we need, right? It's really simple. What it means in the future is we can simply just change this as dumps one up F that every time. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Channel. Welcome back to my game. It's counting everything. You can just change this, right? I mean, we're not gonna doing this. You know, file errors, and now, I mean, except for it's like okay, cool. That should just a ref in this current document because that will just work easily, just fine.
Yeah, we're gonna probably have to pass them in like that, aren't we? I guess. Okay, so probably gonna have to put std shared pointer. Obviously, we don't need that anymore. Let's see if I run that now. Am I more about label now, possibly? Unless actually I haven't even changed the label to that system of doing things. Maybe not. It's getting pretty far. Okay, thrown a one. No. That is looking pretty darn good, to be fair. Okay, so this is an easy fix. I was just confirming something. And set label background. Give that another run, see how it goes. Okay, so labels still seem to be working, that's fine. So I guess there should be no asterisks in this file now. Oh. For a space. Oh. The multiplication. I'll find out if there's any in here, as there is not. Does that mean I've done small pointers in this class then? That wasn't too bad. Okay, so what I'm just gonna just look online and just go over it a bit more. Smart pointers, C++. Like I said, I'm not doing a long stream today, but we do have a good amount done, which is nice. I think I've used it correctly, just want to make sure. In potentially multiple pointers, yeah, I'll just do shared for now for the most part. Okay, so we're done. Let me pin that. We're just done button, which was the first one that we actually had to do. And now let's do button group. Let's go through one file at a time. It's gonna be a bit of a headache, I know that. And let me open that button back up because that's actually already got it done. So it's gonna help. I'd open checkbox and then button group. Okay, so okay, we've got a vector of pointers. I think that's it. That's the only one. They're literally the only one. Okay, so for this it'll be a vector of button pointers. We'll do what std shared pointer button. I think that's what it'll be. And then in button group, if I give that a run, that should produce errors now. And we'll see what errors get produced, and based on that we'll do stuff. Yeah, so the type of button that it's expecting is incorrect. So it should be std shared pointer button, and that should fix that issue now. But this technically does not exist. You know what I'll do is this. Copy that. Paste it there. Search for all instances of asterisks in here. I forgot we had all these instances. for each method, one by one. I think that might be it. That seems like it. Okay, so I guess we can give that a run now, see what happens. Oh, that probably will not like that. Yeah, so you won't like that, that's fine. Let me give that a run now. Less errors, which is always good. But when it's EX, because they're technically, what's it called? Add button. So yeah, that should be an easy fix if we just literally say go to definition. That might work now. See what we get. So we can close that down. That's looking up pretty good. So yeah, so there's only that one pointer thing. We'll close that, but we're gonna need the button open again. Checkbox now. Checkbox. Yep, here we go. Don't see why it's moaning about that for. Let's have a look. Not a type name. Oh yeah, it isn't. It's just we need share pointer here. So this will give us a bunch of errors now. Yep, that looks like it's gonna work. Okie dokie now. Probably do one or two more classes and then it's looking nicely. Ooh, yeah. That's fine, I'm happy with that. Okay, checkbox done. What is next? Circle. Circle. Okay, so we have just texture that's a pointer. So std shared pointer texture, and we'll need to update this to std make underscore shared like so, maybe. Yep, same thing on that line. That's probably gonna mess things up. See if we got any new comments. Okay, Devin says this is going to be good. Anshuman says hello, how are you? I'm good. SR says hi, hello. So I will definitely be doing a live stream tomorrow. I might even do an hour, 2 hour, like definitely an hour, maybe 2 hour one, but I'm definitely going to be doing one tomorrow as well. Oh, yes. So this will just need to return a shared pointer, something along those lines. Therefore, we need to modify the get texture method, and then we should be done. I've been really, of the last 1 maybe 2 weeks, like my urge to make games has it's just been so strong. It's so strong. That's fine. Clock next. We don't even need to do anything with clock. Believe not. Nope. Don't think collision is my file, so therefore I'm not even gonna bother touching it. Don't want to accidentally mess things up. Doesn't need to be touched. CSV, not my file. Debugger, so. Ooh. Here we go. That's gonna be a big one. I will leave that for next time. So I will wrap up now. Like I said, I just wanted to get back into the swing of things. In terms of what to do, we'll get that done by mid next week. Make construction destructors that have no coding to default. Okay, I'm not sure what that means. Music and sound items, I know we got to do that. Some sorting algorithms. I mean, that's just a minor thing. Grid, that would be nice. We are getting there. A few more months, and then we should be hopefully making some games as well. Oh, yes. I'm gonna shut that down. I'm going to launch up GitHub and I'm going to submit it. Commit the code, SGA. Finally made some headway with pointers. Smart. Yeah, I know what file that's moaning, but I'll fix that right now. That'll get regenerated, so that's not an issue. Here we go. I will update this so it is 186 next time. Tomorrow, part 5 of code maintenance. Push origin. Okay. It's taking a bit of time, this is. Okie dokie. I don't know why the colours like them out, because I've got in HDR mode, maybe. But I think the rest of it was okay. If we go on display settings, if we go to not use HDR, yeah,